Hi guys, I thought I'd make a really quick video. I just got done installing the LCE Performance 160 amp alternator on my 2001 4Runner. Here's the 4Runner, and we just installed. That's the alternator there. It's the same body as the OEM alternator, just rebuilt to put out 160 amps. I also did the 3-wire, or I finished the big 3 ground wire upgrade. So here is my connection from the chassis to the engine block. Here's my connection from the chassis to my the negative terminal on my battery. And this is the one I just got finished adding, especially since I have the high amp alternator. I added a positive line from the alternator that will go to the positive terminal on the battery. This was a super easy swap for the from the OEM alternator to the LCE Performance high amp alternator, and now I just have to put the battery box back in. I've got dual batteries, so I have to connect those back up, and hopefully we'll get this show back on the road. Alright, I got the batteries put back in. All the cables are reconnected. That's the big 3. Battery to chassis, chassis to engine block, and those are both grounds. And then for the positive wire, you go from the alternator to your positive post on your battery. There it is. We've got the higher amp alternator swapped in. We've got the big 3 finished for wiring, and the batteries are reinstalled. Thanks for watching, folks.